So how different is this with REITs o yung real estate investment trusts? Ang pagkakaintindi ko, for example si Ayala, yung kanyang REITs, meron siyang properties na gusto niyang sabihin na natin i-develop, and ang naging way niya of funding that project is by creating REITs and a REIT, and then which means para siyang stock company na ililist sa stock market through an IPO. Tapos kung ano yung ma-raise nila na pera doon from the people who buy the shares, yun yung gagamitin ng pera para pambili ng property. So yung mga tao na magbibili ng shares, they will get regular dividends from Ayala. Ang question kasi is, how much will be the dividend? So hindi natin alam, di ba? So, and of course, that will really depend on how profitable that company will be or that property will be na binili or i-develop ni Ayala. But of course, aside from the dividends, makikita rin sila through the appreciation nung shares, nung price nung REIT, no? So, kumbaga para sa akin, it's good to invest in REITs if you think that the property that they are going to develop will be profitable, and it's also good for long-term investing. So Correct. Sa akin naman, ang nakita ko naman sa Flint, yung mga properties niyo, sabi mo kanina, they are already vetted by real estate company or a real estate brokerage. So in a sense, mas sigurado na tayo na kikita siya, no? And yung tenure ninyo, it ranges from around 6 months to currently 24 months. So medyo short term lang siya. So again, at the end of the day, Rafael, it depends on your financial goal. Are you investing for the short term or are you investing for the long term? So kung gusto mo lang ng lugar kung saan pwede mong ilagay yung pera mo for the short term, then probably Flint is the better option for you. But if you are investing for your retirement 30 years from now, then probably yung REITs ng Ayala would be a better option for you. But as always, lagi ko sinasabi, hindi mo kailangan mamili. So, pwede ka mag-invest on both. So, if you have like 10,000 pesos, then you can buy 5,000 pesos ng REITs ng Ayala, then 5,000 pesos pwede mong ilagay sa Flint. So, again, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. Ang magdidetermine yan is yung iyong financial goals. Ano ba yung gusto mo ma-achieve? So, I hope we were able to clarify ano yung difference nito with yung REIT. Kasi very popular ngayon.
So, Sir Fitz, I just want to echo on that, no? So for Flint kasi ang goal ko talaga is may repayment schedule. Meaning you are expecting a certain amount on a monthly basis kapag nag-invest ka. So like kunwari, seaman ako. This is just my experience. I've talked to multiple seaman. I'm a family of OFW too, 'di ba? So kunwari nakaipon ka na normally nakaipon ka ng 100,000. Let's say 100,000 people can relate here, no? Normally 100,000 pag-uwi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko? Magnenegosyo ba ako? Magpo-food cart ba ako? Para pag-uwi ko habang wala akong kontrata, if I'm a seaman or hindi pa ako nakakabalik doon, meron akong monthly income. Ano kayang gagawin ko? Magano ba ako? Mag-food cart or business? But then again, kaya nag-repayment schedule kami at saka merong fixed na per annum on every project is para ma-compute mo na. Kung gusto ko, mag-invest ako ng 50,000, ito yung schedule ko, kaya may repayment schedule yon. At ito yung ma-expect ko na makukuha kong money on a regular basis. So parang nagninegosyo ka talaga, di ba? So that's also a difference ni Flynn compared to REIT. Kasi si REIT is dividends yun. And also, I'm not sure kung ma-forecast nila yung accurate na dividends mo bago ka mag-invest. So yun yung malaking difference then between the two type of investment. investments. And I really also like what you've said, Sir Fitz, na hindi mo kailangan mamili, no? You can diversify and also invest on both. What I've learned too is you make multiple investment for different goals too. Like kunwari, kung gusto ko ng kotse on a spare time, I could use a different investment platform or different investment way para ma-reach ko yung goal na yon. Syempre, you have multiple goals, no? Gusto mo mag-ipon para sa kasal mo, ikakasal ka, you might want to use a different investment din naman para dun sa goal na yon. Para at least kung nilagay mo lahat yon sa isang bucket at hindi nag-work, then lahat ng mga pangarap mo naguguho yun, di ba? So, paano if you have a different bucket for a different goal, at least, sige medyo na-challenge ako dun sa budget ko pang kasal, pero buti na lang nakapagtabi ako para sa tuition fee ng anak ko or para sa binibili kong bahay or binibili kong kotse. So, that's what's good about naman if you have you diversify your investment.
So sabi ni Alan, no, standard po yung 12% per annum. I guess it's the usual, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin lahat ng properties 12%. So I guess tama ba? Depende, no? But you try as much as possible to offer 12% per annum. But again, depende pa rin kung anong project or real estate property yung malist ninyo. So
Investing in Philippine real estate poses some challenges. For Juan, the first-time investor, it can be overwhelming to buy a dream home or invest in real estate property he can actually afford. Also, committing to a long-term million-peso loan can be quite daunting. Even raising the 20% down payment is challenging, that only in the Philippines you can see offers of paying off the down payment in installments. And for Pedro, who has a considerable amount of money saved in the bank, it can be quite a risk for him to invest all of his hard-earned savings to buy a single property to resell at premium or lease for rental income. Juan and Pedro can both choose to take the plunge or invest via real estate crowdfunding with Flint. Flint is the first tech-enabled, low-cost Philippine real estate crowdfunding platform powered by SIDN, Southeast Asia's largest business financing platform. Flint is developed exclusively for every Juan and Pedro who like to invest in real estate properties quickly without needing to commit huge sums of money or take home loans. The best feature of Flint as a crowdfunding platform is that every Juan and Pedro will have the ability to buy an investment share of a pre-funded property. All property listings available for the investment in the Flint platform are pre-funded or are funded with first position financing. This allows Flint to secure the highest investment rates and accelerate investment closing. This means Juan and Pedro do not need to wait or convince other people to help fund the full contract price of the property as it is already pre-funded. Juan and Pedro can simply select a property, review investment details, and click Fund and invest as low as 1,000 pesos. Flint has also partnered with RE/MAX Philippines, a leading property broker franchise in the country, to exclusively broker all pre-funded properties so Juan and Pedro and all Flint investors can quickly get return on their investment shares. Together with RE/MAX Philippines, all available properties for investment on Flint are well curated for its income generating and investment appreciation potential and market demand. Even Juan and Pedro's friend Joe in the US can actually invest as long as he passes investor verification and he has no special or other regulatory restrictions from his country on foreign investments. As Flint's crowdfunding ecosystem is powered by SIDN PH secured and tested financial system, funding your investor account, investing in properties, and filing investment claims are done quickly online. Want to invest and earn easily and quickly like Juan, Pedro, and Joe? You can do it too. Register now and open an investor account. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and developments on the next best thing in Philippine real estate investing. Philippine Real Estate Crowdfunding, for anyone at any time.